Are you experiencing camera problems on Telegram for your PC? Let's troubleshoot and resolve this issue together. Here are some steps you can take to fix Telegram camera problems on your PC. First, try refreshing the Telegram webpage. If that doesn't work, proceed to clear your browser cache and cookies. For detailed instructions, visit your browser's support website. Next, log out of Telegram desktop and then log back in. This simple step can sometimes resolve camera issues. If the problem persists, consider restarting your device. Turn off your device, wait for about 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This action may help in resolving any underlying issues causing the camera problem. Another troubleshooting step is to try connecting to a different network or using data. Sometimes, network issues can affect the camera functionality on Telegram. If you've tried all these steps and the camera issue still persists, don't worry. You can reach out to Telegram support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your situation. Lastly, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable internet connection can also impact the performance of the camera on Telegram. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix camera problems on Telegram for your PC. Enjoy clear and seamless video communication on Telegram by addressing these common camera issues.